Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate double tap to wake up the screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, first of all, you can open your settings application on your Samsung phone. Then you're going to scroll down until you find the advanced features. Tap on this advanced features setting. Then you're gonna click on the motions and gestures right here. Okay, and here you can activate double tap to turn on the screen. Okay, and right after you activate this feature, you will be able to use the double tap to wake up the screen on your Samsung phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate double tap to wake up the screen on the Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.